What's up, guys? So, may pinost ako, guys, ng part 6 at napamali ako, guys. I said part 6 last and part 5 at the top. I forgot. So, we're gonna close the light later. Shut up! I'm filming something. Let's go to the mirror. Let's go to the mirror. This is, oh my god, I can't see. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Good thing there's a pillow here, but it still hurts because this thing is hard as hell. Did we just come back from there to the mirror? Let's go back. We're gonna go back into this light bulb. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! Huh? I just come back from the bulb and I just got inside here. Let's go, guys. We're gonna come back to the bulb and we're gonna see if we teleport to the other something thing. 3, 2, 1. Wait, I'm falling. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, hi, Andrew Benson. Are you filming another video? I am not. Run. Go.
I am.
Oh my god, guys. I'm hiding. I'm literally gonna hide right now. I'm too scared. That was the Andrew Benson. Why did I do that? On all of our videos, this is part 7, guys. I'm gonna try to make it like a movie. At the same time, let's go meet up the real Andrew Benson. Hi, guys. Hi, Andrew Benson.
Wow, hi.
Bro, I can see your face through your camera, bro. Where are you going? Do not go to the mirror world right now.
This is not even in the real world. I'll go to the coast.
The cost game? Can I come?
Yeah.
You go first because that's literally your vids. Let's go. Oh my god, guys.
There you are. Oh, there you are. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Your twin is scary, bro.
This is my coast game dimension. And where's your dimension?
In the mirror world, 7, your twin has been gathered up to the real world.
Yeah, but I think they found our secret chest. Because our secret chest is down here, right?
Yeah.
But it's not in this world. Because this world is a little bit of different, right?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Hell no, I'm falling. I almost fall through that time. Oh my god. You're scary. Bro, where are we going, bro?
I don't know.
I gotta end this in 5 minutes, I guess. We're gonna end this in 5 minutes. Where are we going? You're just going in circles.